The input tag. The input tag is one of the most important form elements. It is used to create the controls or fields to take input from the user in the form of text, selection, and click. The input tag has the following attributes. Type. This attribute is used to specify the type of field we want to create. It takes one of the predefined values. The predefined values for this attribute are text. This value is used to create a text box field. A text box field is a one-line text input control. The text is the default value of the type attribute. Radio. This value is used to create a radio button control. A radio button control is used to select only one option from a set of options. Checkbox. This value is used to create a checkbox control. A checkbox control allows us to select multiple options from a set of options. Button. This value is used to create an action button control. An action button control is used to perform an action on the click of it. Submit. This value is used to create a submit button control. The submit button control is used to submit all the entered values in form to the specialized URL. Reset. This value is used to create a reset button control. The reset button control, when clicked, clears all the values entered in the form field. Password. This value is used to create a password field. A password field is just like a text box field. The only difference is that the text entered in the password field will not be readable because it appears in the form of star symbols. Name. This attribute is used to specify the identity of the field on the web page. Value. This attribute is used to specify the default value of the field. Adding text box. A text box allows a user to enter data such as any character and number. Let us create a web page to display a text box. To add the text box in the form, follow the syntax as given below. For example, type double quotes text indicates that the form element is text box. Value is equal to double quotes enter username is the default value of text box. Let us create a web page to display the text box button. Adding radio button. Radio buttons are used when the user has to make a selection among multiple choices or options. It is generally used for selection of gender, quiz questions, etc. For example, for accepting the gender, the programmer needs to specify two radio buttons, male and female, which belong to the same group called gender, so that while inputting data, a user will be able to select either male and female, but not both. To add the radio button in the form, follow the syntax as given below. For example, type is equal to double quotes radio indicates that the form element is radio button. Name is equal to double quotes gender is the name of the radio button group. Value is equal to double quotes male and value is equal to double quotes female signifies that one radio button has value double quotes male and the other has the value double quotes female. Checked attribute selects the specific radio button by default. Here, male radio button is checked by default. Let us create a web page to display the radio button. Adding checkbox. A checkbox is like a toggle switch where users can select a desired choice by clicking on the checkbox. To add the checkbox in the form, follow the syntax as given below. For example, type is equal to double quotes checkbox indicates that the form element is checkbox. Name is equal to double quotes hobbies is the name of the checkbox. Value is equal to double quotes reading is the default value of checkbox. Checked attribute selects the specific checkbox by default. Let us create a web page to display the checkbox. Adding password field. This is also a single line text input, but it masks the character as soon as a user enters into it. The password is not visible to the user in password field control. To add the password field in the form, follow the syntax as given below. For example, type double quotes password indicates that the form element is password. Name is equal to double quotes pass indicates that the name of the password field is pass. Size is equal to double quotes 10 denotes the maximum size of the password field, that is 10. Let us create a web page to display the password field. Adding data list. If you want to provide input suggestions while also allowing the user to submit input directly, implement the data list element. The data list element allows the user to add the input as he wishes, whereas the user has the option to select an input from the provided list when using the select element. To add the data list in the form, follow the syntax as given below. For example, the above code will create a drop-down list in which these countries' names are available. Let us create a web page to display the data list.